Application: the 15030 pin and bushing adapter toolkit is compatible with Automan MR656UB, MR656, MR782, MR714E, and MR714. For use with flag RB268, RB205UB, RB235, RB268, RB205, RB234, RB260, and Freightliner 161, 396, 2000, 161, 641, 2000, 161, 803, 5000, 681, 325, 0150, 681 325 0250. For use with Dayton RB268, RB205U, RB268, RB205, RB234 and Eco D046, D46, DT1155. Fit for Euclid E8804, GAF 11083, Hendrickson 51209 and 52296, International 3538115C1, Meritor MR782, Peterbilt 52296, World America WA12-5136. Function: the pin and bushing service kit will easily allow you to remove and install rubber isolated pins and bushings for trucks and equipment while the suspension remains on the vehicle. The adapter has 20 tons pulling capacity to reduce the risk of damage to nearby components. Designed for use with the 15,000 pins and bushing starter kit. Package include: the 15,030 pin and bushing adapter tool kit is included an extension tube,